Here is a quick video to show you how to take out the bottom bench seat in a Tesla Model 3 for those that might want a dead flat base for camping or things like that. I'll show you what the seats look like when they're laid down. So as you can see, with the bench seat in, if you go look from a side view, they are still on quite an angle. The best result is for lying flat is to actually remove it. So there's only a couple of simple ways to do it. This is a dual motor November 21. Some models previous to this have a press to the side and then lift up mechanism. These ones actually just have a push in and lift up. So there's a latch about halfway into the seat. You'll find a little button latch. Just press it and lift up gently. And the same again for this side. It's about in the middle. Just press in and lift up. And now all you have to do is gently pull forwards about 10 centimeters. Now on the dual motor on this particular model, there is two connections on one side. Now on previous models, you can either have the same, which is two on one side, or you have one on each side. Now all you have to do is you actually have to gently remove those or unplug them. So on this one, we have two connections. You can either use your fingers or whatever, but I've found it is pretty easy to use one of these. All you can do is just press on the little tabs and they should just easily pop out. Just like so. If we zoom in there, you can just see that it's a press in type lever and then pull them out. And then that is all there is taking the base out. So once those connections are done, you can just move it out of the way. It's best not to touch any of this. It's all high voltage. Next thing is just to remove your seat base. So gently just take it out of either side. Now, just to show you, if we put the seats down after removing that, from a side video, that is dead flat. Now, just to prove it, we're going to put a level. Going to put just a level there, just to show you that it is literally dead flat. I'm not leaving it while you're driving or anything, but put a bit of foam along the actual contacting points of the seat just to protect your seat and to keep it off any of this. So those are the clips that I was mentioning earlier. You just press them in and then just lift it up. On previous earlier models, there is actually a switch that you pull to the left and then they've just reversed it to save money. So it'll be left or right on one side, the reverse on the other, but now they've gone to this system by the looks of it. The way to put the seat bench back in is it pretty much in reverse. The main things to do is the seat belt, which is probably the main one. You actually got to feed the long one through first, then the second. Then the second hardest bit is the connections. You got to get them pretty dead on. So you got to angle the seat into this area, connect them up, and then you can kind of align the seat and then put it in properly. So just put this through here. Line that second one up. Now you can just reach on in. You can just see them. You can do it by touch. You'll hear it when they click in, they go in one way. Once you hear them click in, you can give it a little wobble just to confirm that it isn't going anywhere. All right, there we go, click, click. So once we've got those in, double check all these. All you do is start pushing in. That will just click into place. Push in, and it's clicked into place. So that is all you have to do. And then it is all good to go.